Hello everyone, Namaste. So this is next question in SQL50 series, 595 big countries. So you are given a schema with 5 columns: name, continent, area, population, GDP. And what you need to do is GDP value, okay? A country. There is a condition which is given. So what we need to do is we need to find name, population, and area of big countries where they follow these two conditions. So let's start. We need to write the output column first. So the output is name, population, and area. So select name, population, area from the table name is world, where now we need to write the conditions. So the conditions are area of at least 3 million. So where area greater than equal to, because at least. So if you say at least 3, then 1 is also okay. No, 3 is okay, 4 is okay, and anything above 3 is okay. So that is at least. And at most is basically I need at most 4 apples. So you mean to say that I can have a maximum of 4 apples, nothing greater than that. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is correct answer at most if you are considering positive integers. So yeah, area greater than this. They have mentioned or, so you need to put or here, and population should be at least 25 million. So population should be at least 25 million. Population should be at least, it means either 25 million or more than 25 million. Select name area from here where, okay, let's run this. Okay, now let's submit. So it's submitted. Now we'll try this in pandas. Okay, so as usual, I'll just create one data frame just so that the spelling is very less and I don't have to type this world data frame every time. Now create a variable with name conditions and write your conditions always in this type of bracket. So first condition is that the area should be at least 3 million. So in this case, you need to write the column name as this df square brackets and the column name area. It should be at least 3 million. So just copy there and use the or condition. This is or condition value. Write another condition in this type of bracket. Just write df population with at least 25 million. Just copy paste this. Now in my previous videos, I have told you about two methods. So one is df.loc method, where you just need to write the row conditions, what will be the row conditions and which are the columns you need. So let's use this method first. We'll just copy this conditions here because we already have the variable. So conditions and the column names which you need here. So you need a data frame. So you need to mention it in square brackets. If you just mention it as a single, like suppose you needed one single column name. So if you just mention the column name here, you'll get a series. What is a series? It's just a column. And what about this? If you just put a square bracket around this, so it is a column but in an Excel sheet, you can assume that. So it's a, currently this is a column in an Excel sheet. So you'll just add more columns here. So you're adding multiple columns in an Excel sheet and then you're returning it. So let's write more. What is required? Name, population, area. So name, population, area, and you just store it in another variable which becomes your data frame. So return answer. Let's run it. Oh, there is one mistake here. Oh, this is not closed. Let's close it. Now let's run it. Okay, so second method is also similar. You just need to write answer equals to, just mention data frame, the columns which you need. So as I mentioned, you need to put it in square brackets. We'll just copy paste this so that it becomes easier. So you will be getting this data frame. Okay, you are first truncating the columns, so you need only these columns. You are telling the code that you need just these three columns, and now you have to write condition for rows. So you just write condition here. And I have also explained you about binary indexing. This is called binary indexing. So what it does is, I'll explain. This conditions, what it does is it creates a new imaginary column, and it basically checks for each row that are is the condition matching or not. For this row, if the area is greater than 3 million, or if the population greater than equal to 25 million, if yes, then it writes true here. Similarly for other rows, true, false, true, false, true, false. And for those trues, it just prints the name, population, area in the corresponding row of this answer data frame, and it returns it. So that's how it works. Let's try to run it. Yeah, and let's submit it. It got submitted. Yeah, so thank you very much.